Hi, my name is Lisa Edwards.
Hi, my name is Michelle Dixon.
My name is John Boron.
I've always struggled with my weight. I was over 300 pounds in high school, and then I went to school for acting. Unfortunately, I didn't get very many roles being the overweight person. I always got typecast as a maid. I truly knew I needed to, lose weight, but it wasn't until my 25th birthday that was pretty much my breaking point and what pushed me over the edge. And it was the worst birthday of my entire life. Everything down in Myrtle Beach had a 300-pound weight limit. So there was not much that I could do other than, eat at the restaurant.
I was looking for more guidance. Somebody who could help me with nutrition, somebody who could help me with exercising that had that knowledge, had that background. I saw this lady off in the distance and I saw her working with somebody, and watching Leanna interact with other people before I had the opportunity to meet her, that's what kind of drew me to her. But at the same time, when she was giving those exercises, you could tell she knew what she was talking about.
I have high aspirations of doing the Appalachian Trail. I want to do the through hike, 2,200 miles. And there is really no place to train here in Wilmington, as it is very flat.
If I had her pushing me and helping me, I was like, I know I could definitely see some results. And that's when I decided to get Leanna to help me out.
Leanna and I sat down, we had dinner together, and one of the first things she said was, what's your purpose? What do you want to do this for? I needed to change my eating habits. Having Leanna as that push was undoubtedly helpful.
She created a program for me, and then we met up again down the road, and she's like, okay, this is what I have for you, and we'll go through it together. She goes, tell me what you think, because this is a little bit different.
I never had a personal trainer before. She was super sweet, she was encouraging, motivating. If we tried an exercise and I couldn't do it, she would just be like, it's okay, we'll come back to it later. And then sure enough, a couple weeks later, we tried again, and I was able to do it, which was extremely exciting.
Right there just showed me how much she cared about me, that she was really drawn into helping me, and she was really, when she created my plan, she really put interest and an effort into my goals, into my specific goals. So it wasn't a cookie cutter workout, it was my workout that she made for me.
She did an individual diet for me, what was best for my lifestyle. I enjoy having a glass of wine, a couple beers at night, and she gave me the diet to weigh those things out.
And in 2 months, I'd already lost 30 pounds.
That was a new starting point for me.
After that first 3 months, I stepped on the scale and it said 213. But then I'd taken my measurements, I had lost 2 inches around my waist, around my chest. I just lost inches everywhere and gained muscle.
It's been an amazing, amazing journey, and I'm a totally different person, honestly.
I'm gonna stick with it, and I'm gonna be adamant about it. That way, I can be better at what I'm doing.
She's the person to have in the passenger seat. She's the one that navigates you through your goals. Tell her your goals, and if you listen to what she says, you will see results.
This is just not just like about fitness, it's also your lifestyle, what you do outside of the gym. Definitely recommend Leanna. She cares, she loves you. She'll text you after a workout, you okay? You sore?
How you feeling? How you doing?
How you feeling? You okay?
Leanna is more than just a trainer. She actually cares.
It'll be 3 years in February, almost 3-year journey, and I can't wait to keep going.
Working with Leanna, to be honest, has changed my life. She has taught me and is teaching me to love myself.
I can't say enough about what she has done for me, the way that I feel. I always feel great at the end.
It's about being able to look in the mirror and be like, wow, that's you, girl. That's why Leanna.
Individual purpose, individual needs, together we achieve.